Guys, welcome back to my channel. And by and this so that's for today's video. So guys, that is so you just before going to the video, I just wanted to a small story which connected to this video. I'm sorry that I have been not posted any video from past 5 to 10 days, and I have a reason for that, and that's nothing but this video. This video I have been trying since 5 to 10 days, and this is the fifth attempt that I am trying this video. And for the first time I have been shooted the entire video, and I didn't check that my camera is focusing me or not, and that's the problem for the first attempt. I have been deleted all the 16 GB footage, and that's my problem and that's my default. I'm okay with that. And but the second time I have been shooted all the video with all my effects, and the video was like super cute and super awesome. I hope that video will get some more likes and views, but unfortunately that video has been deleted by my hands. I just want to tap the save button, and that by mistake I have been tapped the delete button, and that's the problem I did. Cause of that, all of my videos, photos, that's my default, and that's totally my default. And I was like depressed after I did that for the second time. I was like, is this video is not suitable for me? And they did okay, let's do it again. As a third attempt, I have been did the video. While I'm doing the video, suddenly my tripod has been broken. I don't know how my tripod has been broken, but it suddenly switched off the light, and suddenly the tripod has been fallen. Even my phone has been fallen, and that's the third. And after that, I have been buyed a new tripod for me, and this is the tripod that I am shooting now. And that's the third attempt, right? And that's the third attempt that I have been failed in doing this video. And now coming to the fourth attempt, nothing but yesterday I have been tried this video again, and suddenly the current went off, and the current came at night 9:30, I think so. I felt that I have to do this video again, and today, and this is the fifth attempt that I am doing this video. I hope this time this video has to become in a good way, and have to edit and have to post it in a good way, and this feeds and videos. And that's my request to you all. Please don't put any kind of disturbances for me. So guys, that's the part of this video, and this is the story of this video, and this is the fifth attempt that I'm doing now, and that's not a big deal, right? I have my patience, I can do the video, and without any further ado, let's get started with the video. So guys, coming to the video, this video is nothing but a footwear video which you all requested me, and this video is done by all your requests, as I have been promised you that I am going to make a footwear video as your all request. Most of you requested me to do this kind of footwear videos and all, and that's the reason I have been doing this video. You all will love this video and enjoy this video. And now coming to the point, I have been bought some pair of footwear from the Ajio, as you all requested me to do some haul kind of videos, and that's the reason today I'm back with a new Ajio haul video, and that's nothing but a footwear video as you all requested. And now I have been bought some 5 pair of heels from Ajio. There are lots of footwear in Ajio, but I choose heels cause I just love wearing heels. Not only me, most of you like heels, right? And that's the reason I have been choosing some different types of heels in this video. And without any further ado, let's see the heels for the first. These are the first pair of heels which I have brought from Ajio, and this is how they look, if you can see here. And now for the first, coming to the color, this is a sea green color, if you can see here. I don't know whether my camera is catching it in a proper color or not, but this is a sea green color, if you can see here. This is how it looks, and this is a shoe type heel, if you can see here. And now coming to the heel, this is a block transparent heel, if you can see here. This is how it looks. This is a block transparent heel. You can see here it looks like a block heel. And now coming to the heel, this is a transparent heel too. If you can see there, this is how it looks, and it gives a very posh and very classy look. And this is how the heel look like. And now coming to this foot area, if you can see here, they have been given a sponge over here. This sponge makes you to walk very free while walking on the heels, and I'm so happy with this sponge because I've been tried many of the heels, but heels will not have any sponge over here, and it's very difficult to walk on heels while you step out. But this feels very comfort while I'm walking on this heel, and this sponge gives you a very safe walk. And now again coming to the heel, and it gives a very safe walk while you're walking. It doesn't slip while you're walking. Now coming to this part, I don't know what sort of thing is this, but I'm damn sure that it gives a long period of usage. And coming to the size, this is the size 8 and I'm in the size 8. And so yeah, that's the part of the first pair of heels in my footwear video. And without any further ado, let's see the second pair of heels in my footwear video. So yeah, for the next, I'm gonna showing you a very different kind of heels that you're not supposed to think this compared to all heels which you have been seen. And without any further ado, let's see the heels first. So guys, these are the second pair of heels that I have been brought from Ajio, and this is how they look. And coming to the heel for the first, this is a point heel as you can see here. I think this is a semi point heel, I think so. I'm not supposed to say this is a full-fledged point heel because it doesn't look like that, right? I thought. And this is white in color. If you can see here, this is a pure white, if you can see here. And now coming to the base of this heel, as I have been already said, they have been given a sponge over here as you can see. And so yeah, I'm happy with this pair of heels, and these are white in color. If you are not interested in white, there are many colors that you can choose as your choice, and that's up to you. I have been choosing white color because I just wanted to look a different kind of way, and that's the reason I have been choosing this white color. And if you are not interested in white, you can go to other color. And that's the pair of two in my footwear video as you all waiting for. Without any further ado, let's see the third pair of heels. These are the third pair of heels, and as you can see here, this is how they look. And for the first, I'll go with the heel because I just felt love with this heel because the heel was attached to the foot area. I'm so happy for that point. For the first, I was so excited and I was so happy because the heel was attached to the base, as you all can see here. Because I used to face a lot of struggle while walking on heels. I feel uncomfort while walking on heels because it's just the heel was not attached to the base of this foot. That feels some uncomfortable while walking. Not only me, most of you will suffer while walking on heels, right? It's very difficult to walk on heels, but still, even though we'll manage to walk, and that's the reason I'm so happy because this heel is attached to the foot area as you can see. And now coming to this quality was super awesome. Nothing to say about the quality. And the foot area, if you can see, they have been given the sponge overall the foot as you can see here. For the previous heels, they have given the sponge in the particular area, right? Here they have been given the sponge overall this foot area as you can see. I'm so happy with this sponge too because they have been given overall the foot area, and that's the point too. And now coming to this area, I don't know what sort of thing is this, but these are like very strong. I hope this gives a long period of usage. And now coming to the color, this is a very nude shade. As you can see, this is a very nude pink. I don't know whether my camera is catching it in a correct color or not, but this is a very nude pink. This color gives a shine to your foot. But the one and only reason I'm not happy with this pair of heels is nothing but these tongues. If you can see here, this heel has been bit loosed for me. I don't know why. I'm in the size 8 as you can see, and this is the size 8 as you all know, but over here this part has been loosed for me, and that's the reason I was bit unhappy with these heels. But rest of that, all the quality and the sponge and the heel quality and the color was super good and super awesome. The one and only reason I was unhappy is that one reason, the heel was bit loosed for me. It's not a big deal, right? I'm not going to return this pair of heels because I just love this heel. Part of the third pair of heels in this footwear video, and for the next you're going to see a very different kind of heels and heels which are going on trend. So without any further ado, let's see the fourth heels in this footwear video. This heel look like bit different compared to all my footwear, and this heel is on trend now as you all know. Okay, just let me show you the heels. These are the fourth pair of heels. As you can see here, this is how they look, and these are now as you all know. And now coming to the heel quality, there is nothing to say about the quality. The quality was super awesome. I have no words to say about this quality. I'll directly go to the heel and then I'll go to the color. And coming to the quality, there is nothing to say as I have been already said you. And this quality of this heel was super awesome, and there is nothing to say. And I'm directly going to the heel. Coming to this heel, this is also a block heel. As you can see here, this is how it looks, and this is a block heel. And the quality of this heel the quality of this heel was super awesome. As you all can see, I have been testing now. The quality of this heel was super awesome. And coming to this sponge, if you can see here, they have been kept a large amount of sponge which makes you to walk free, doesn't suffer you to walk on heel. And I just wanted to say you a point. This heel makes me to feel that I'm walking on a normal footwear. It doesn't feel like I'm walking on a heels. And this heel gives a very free walk and a safe walk as I have been already said. And now coming to the foot area. The foot area was awesome, and this foot area is attached to the heel as you all can see here. And now coming to this area, they have been given a, I don't know what kind of thing is this, but they have been given a belt over here. There is a very thin belt, but this was very strong as you can see. This was very strong. And now coming to this area, over this they have been given I don't know what sort of thing is this, but over here they have been given a support to walk. And now coming to this area, over here they have been given a belt as you all can see. Coming to this belt part, this belt is a removable belt. What you have to do is, if you want, you can put this belt. If you are not comfortable with this belt, you can remove this belt and you can use this heel. This is how this heel look. I was so happy with this heel, and I was so love with this heel. And that's the reason I have been bought another pair of heel in this model. And without any further ado, let me show you the other pair of heels that I have bought. This is the another pair of heel which looks similar to this heel, and this is a nude shade, and this is a very dark black shade as you all can see here. Gives a bright shine as you can see. As I have been already said, they have been given a large sponge. Coming to the heel was super awesome, and coming to the strip, it was so strong. And over here, this is a removable belt as I have been already said. And I bought these two pair of similar heels, and my sister want to have a twinning heel. Now coming to the color, this nude color is for me, and this dark shade color is for my sister. We were just planning to have a twinning house, and that's the reason we have been bought two similar pair of heels, same way but some different color. So coming to these heels, these two pair of heels look similar, but the color of these heels was bit different because this is a very dark shade and this is a very light nude shade. As you all can see here, the quality and the heel was and the belt were similar. The one and only difference is this color. When compared to this both heels, I was loving this with nude heel because it gives a very shiny look to my foot more than this black color. As I know most of you will like black, right? But this black color doesn't give me a very bright look. It gives a very posh look, but this nude shade gives me a very class look and a very posh look and a very super cute look, and that's the reason I have been loving this nude heel, and that's the part of this heel. Footwear in my footwear haul. As you have been already seen, these are the 5 pairs that I have been bought from Ajio, and I hope you all will love this kind of heels. These 5 heels were different kind of heels, and I just wanted to give you a small suggestion from my side. Is nothing but if you were in the size 8, you have to choose the size 7. If you were in the size 7, you have to choose the size 6. In the Ajio app, I was still saying you that what I felt. This is my opinion on this footwear. I'm not just forcing you to take a bit less size as yours. I'm just giving you a small suggestion to take a bit small size as yours. And I'm in the size 8. I have to choose the 7 because I have been choosing the 8 size, but all of these heels are a bit loose for me. And that's the reason I have been said you to take a bit less size as compared to yours. And that's the suggestion by me. Guys, and that's it for today's video. Hope you all will like this video and you have been enjoying this video. And I hope this video will help you in some other way. And that's the part of the video, and that's the part of the 5 pairs that I have been brought from Ajio. And once again, I just wanted to say you that this video is done by as your all request, and I'm so happy for that you're all asking me to do a different kind of videos, and your DMs and your messages made me more happy. Even your comments, you are asking like make me to do some different kind of videos like hauls, vlogs and different kind of videos, and I'm so happy for that. And I hope you'll give more kind of suggestions in the comment section. So guys, let me know that you are all happy with this footwear or not in my comment section. So guys, if you were disturbed by these surrounding sounds, I'm so sorry for that. You'll all will understand, and this is the 5th attempt that I'm doing this video. Hope this video is going to be super cute and super. I hope you love this video. If you love this video, let me know in the comment section below. Guys, that's it for today's video, and I'll see you back in another video. Until then, stay happy and stay positive. Love you all. Bye bye.